Pledge. India is my country. Already answered. My brothers and sisters, I love my country and I am proud of its very heritage. Rich and very heritage. I shall always try to be worthy of it. I shall to my parents, teachers, and all elders, respect and treat everyone with courtesy. To my country and my people, I pledge my devotion in their well-being and prosperity, and on life, my happiness. Jai Hind.
Jasper brought you today's news. International news. US court blocks Trump from expanding rapid deportation process. National news. Government to announce guidelines for new gaming law. Thank you.
Happy morning everyone. Today's state and sports news is brought to you by Roshan from Grade IX Jasper. State news. Expenditure of pension payments and salary bills mounting set to exceed Telangana 2025-2026 budget estimates. Sports news. New Delhi to host next Badminton World Championship in August 2026. Thank you.
Happy morning everyone. Today's weather forecast is brought to you by Tanmay from Grade IX Jasper. Minimum temperature 23 degrees Celsius, maximum temperature 30 degrees Celsius. Wind speed 30 to 40 km per hour. Humidity 75 to 80%. Thank you. Have a great day.
Happy morning everyone. Today's thought of the day is brought to you by Jeta of Grade IX Jasper. Thought: gratitude makes a sense of our past and bring a peace for our present and creates a vision for our future. I repeat it again. Gratitude makes a sense of our past and brings a peace for our present and creates a vision for our future. Thank you.
Happy morning everyone. Today's word of the day is brought to you by Akshaya from Grade IX Jasper. Word: invest-teacher. It means to realize responsibilities and ownership. Friends, please spell after me. Invest-teacher. INVESTITURE. Thank you. Happy morning everyone. Today GK questions are brought to you by G. Sai Gauri from Grade IX Jasper. Question for grade 7. Which city is called the Silicon Valley of India? I repeat it again. Which city is called the Silicon Valley of India? As you pick the right answer, and the answer is Bangalore. Question for grade 8. Who is known as the father of Indian space program? As you pick the right answer, and the answer is Vikram Sarabhai. Let us all appreciate them. Question for grade 9. Which gas is known as laughing gas?
Nitrogen gas.
As you pick the right answer, and the answer is nitrous oxide. Let us all appreciate them. Question for grade 10. Name India's first nuclear test operation in 1974. I repeat it again. Name India's first nuclear test operation in 1974. Sorry, you did not pick the right answer, and the answer is Smiling Buddha. Open questions. Which Indian city is famous for diamond cutting? I repeat it again. Which Indian city is famous for diamond cutting? Sorry, you did not pick correct right answer, and the answer is Surat. Second question. Which Indian scientist is known as the father of India's Green Revolution? I repeat it again. Which Indian scientist is known as the father of India's Green Revolution? Sorry, you did not pick the right answer, and the answer is M.S. Swaminathan. Third question. Which bird is a symbol of peace?
Dove.
Yes, you picked the right answer, and the answer is dove. Let us all appreciate them. Fourth question. What is the study of earthquakes called? I repeat it again. What is the study of earthquakes called? Sorry, you did not pick the right answer, and the answer is seismology. Thank you.
Happy morning everyone. Myself Hannah, I'm from Grade IX Jasper. Today I want to speak about kindness. Kindness is a small act, but it has a big impact. A smile, a helping hand, a few kind words can brighten someone's day and make a world a better place. Kindness costs nothing, but it gives so much.
When we are kind, we spread positivity, and that positivity always comes back to us. Even the smallest act of kindness can inspire others to do the same. We must also remember that kindness is not only for others, but also for ourselves. When we treat people kindly, we feel joy and peace within. So we can say that kindness is like a candle. It does not lose anything by lighting another candle. So my dear friends, let us make kindness a habit in our words, in our actions, and in our daily lives. Let us always choose to be kind. And let me end with a thought. Kindness is a language which the deaf can hear and the blind can see. Thank you.
Very gladful morning to everyone. I am Lalita from Grade IX Jasper, and now I am here to speak a few words about a very important quality that we all need in our life, consistency. Consistency means doing something regularly, not just once or twice, but again and again, whether it's studying, playing a sport, or building a new habit. Remember, you don't have to be the best from start, but if you keep trying, keep learning and stay consistent, the success will follow you. Small efforts done every day leads to big achievements. Thank you and have a great day ahead.